Alright people, so welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be unboxing a parcel or a gift I received from Cartesi today, and I just can't wait to find out the contents of that particular gift. So I'll be doing this with you. Let's see what we have. Alright, so this is the package, and this came from FedEx. So this is this is a match. Okay, they call it Monday match, as you can see. So these are just like more like, should I say, the invoice that came with the item. So yeah, that's this for this. So let's open and see the B item. So this is just my information on it. Okay, so this should be quick. Are you ready? Are you ready to see what's inside? Okay, cool. This is it. This is it. So this is a box. I'm still yet to open it. So this came from Cartesi. So thank you very much, Cartesi, for these wonderful gifts. So let me open this up. All right. Wow. Wow. Okay. So this is a nice face cap. Let's see. How do I look on this? How do I look on this cap? All right. Okay, so this is a card that came with it. A thank you card. Thank you for building with Cartesi. So this is a thank you card. Thank you too for acknowledging that and for sending this gift over. So mind you, this information is still here. Right, so don't stop here, like what they wrote here. So if you're out there and you have participated in any of the Cartesi programs before, whether it's hackathons, they have a grant program that is currently ongoing. So you can apply and apply for any of the grants, the 5,000 or the 50,000 grants. Yeah, we'll come back to this. So yeah, this is the water bottle that came with the package. Thank you very much for this beautiful gift. Okay. It's a water bottle. Alright. And yeah, this is my t-shirt. Wow, the shirt is very big. I didn't know extra large would be this large. So okay, I hope I'm not this part, but I'll try it and you'll be the judge. Okay, so these are the t-shirts. I think I like it. I don't want something that's too fitted. Okay, so this is it. I have a black Cartesi t-shirt, but this is navy blue. This is nice. So now I'm going to put on this t-shirt now. Maybe I will put it on top of the one I'm wearing for you to have a look at what it looks like. Okay. Probably cut some of this part out. How is it? Is that okay? Alright, so this is my brand new Cartesi t-shirt, and this is my cap to go with it. How is it, guys? Okay, so thank you very much, Cartesi, once again for this gift. I really appreciate the fact that the Cartesi ecosystem and the community acknowledge my contributions to the community. That's something. I'm really grateful for this gift. And if you're out there watching this video and you don't know what Cartesi is about, so let me just do another quick intro. I have a video where I talk about what Cartesi is about, but I can do that quickly in this video as well. You might want to know what Cartesi is. So Cartesi is a roll-up that gives you the ability to build powerful applications, run different applications that ordinarily you find it difficult to run if you are just writing a normal smart contract like Solidity. So with Cartesi, you have the ability to leverage resources, third-party solutions, leverage SDKs and all of that might not or are not available at the moment on the blockchain generally. So, and apart from that, Cartesi rolled up and one of those scaling solutions for EVM. Now, when we talk about scaling solutions, we're talking about solutions that help EVM to perform better, to do multiple, many transactions. So basically, Cartesi transactions are being done off-chain, they are being badged off-chain and then sent to the base layer. And with that comes with some speed and low cost or low transaction fee. So basically with Cartesi, you can write with any language of your choice and deploy to any of their supported networks. So there are a couple of different blockchains that you can actually deploy to when you write your backend logic on Cartesi and build on Cartesi rollup. So I want to encourage you, if you're looking to build your next project, go check out Cartesi and start building. Give it a shot and let the community know what your experiences are, give your feedback and all of that. And like I said before, you don't have to start learning how to program in Solidity. With your knowledge, with your current knowledge as a programmer, whether it is JavaScript, Python, Rust, Go, you can start coding and writing smart contract logic with those languages and deploy to any of the blockchain of your choice. And thank you very much for staying back to watch this video.